Hello everyone. So you would like to raise an army in Crusader Kings 3. That is pretty easy. All you have to do is to go in the military part here and you click here to raise the army. By clicking there, as you can see, they are appearing. Let's unpause. And as you can see, now there is a big army. 923 here and 346 here. That is how you raise an army in Crusader Kings 3. Another option is to still go there pressing F3 or clicking here for the military tab and hire some mercenaries. You click here and here you can find the mercenaries. There are normal mercenaries that you can hire paying the sum of money, and yeah, you can hire them. I don't have the money to do it right now. Or some special mercenaries in certain situations, or holy orders. And this is how you raise an army in Crusader Kings 3.